What do we have here? It's a big piece of plastic.
I'm prepared. I'll be gone for a while, but don't be scared. Right now I don't know if I'll ever arrive where the grass is green and we're still alive. I hope I'll see you on the other side. I know that I'll be paying for the ride into the black hole.
What was supposed to be an unveil turned into an unexpected predicament. What was just 2 weeks of driving with her new motor has suddenly become one morning of the car not shifting into any gears. So back onto the tow truck and back to the shop she went, only to find out that the second gear solenoid was done. Currently we are now trying to work with insurance once again to get this taken care of, which has proven to be much more difficult than we anticipated. This will be the end of this chapter, but it may be some time before we see this car back on the road. From all of us at Desert Octane, and myself personally, we do thank you for all of your concern and continued support.